going to do people. Yeah, right, okay.
Oh, look at that, it's got face.
What's the flashing things mean?
On top. One's access. I think that's hard drive access. Or something, and the other one's just power. And if it blinks, it means it needs charging.
So does that green blinking means it needs charging?
No, the green blinking means it's fine. It's got full green battery. Zoom, there's a zoom function on the actual screen.
Must be Indian.
There he is. Wait, I'm focused on the last guy. Thought he had a lead. Jumping. They're jumping the hurdles. He's hurdling along. Thought so. I win.
I think cruise is the perfect word. He just took that so easy. It was like a bit of a run through. I was a little bit worried for him coming around that last bend if he really had to pick up the speed, but he seemed to do that beautifully.
So an imposing start from the Welshman who won the European Championship a couple of
Hang on.
What?
Guy Green, 49.98, the man to beat here. And Cosguy just
Is that right?
the 50-second mark. Also,
It's up the right way. You're
Yeah.
up the right way.
the third
You're still up the... Of course you're still up the right way.
Guinea of Papua New Guinea, Finlay of Jamaica, Yates of England.
I'm going to turn
But when
that...
it comes to recording it,
I'm
yeah.
going to turn that over. Yeah, everyone will be doing loops and stuff.
Wait to see what he can lay down here.
But there, it actually turns the control panel upside down because so you can use the buttons when you're...
If you're recording yourself.
Yeah.
Just come out of the road.
Thumb isn't in the road. But yeah.
Just make sure it's not on the road underneath the
Over for LJ.
But I'm sure after seeing Green's run, he sees what sort of form he's in. He too will want to get through. He would want to win this heat. It's a confidence thing, and also it's really important to win because that means you get a great lane at the final.
Oh, I can turn the light on through here.
World Championships and defending
No, I already tried it. I don't like it. What I like about this is where the light is on the opposite side, so people can still see the screen. And it's off to the side. I'm assuming that's the infrared sensor, or that up there.
For what?
The remote. That one on top looks like a likely suspect though, because it appears to be somewhat placed on top. Like there's a seam, as though it's a lens. And it's rather black than the glittery black like the rest of it.
I'm just going to call him Abraham. There you go. But yeah, Van Zyl really did struggle over that last 100 metres. He's not in the type of shape that we've seen in the past, and Yates had a fabulous run. He'd be really happy with that win.
Richard Yates winning that final opening round heat in the men's 400 hurdle.
Guy in lane 4. Look at the name.
The second Rhys Williams, who was the fastest qualifier, but it doesn't alter the fact that Guy Green is a hot favourite. Van Zyl also qualified.
That's why they called him Abraham. Joseph Abraham.
Look at the Indians with there.
Well, with the flag.
I've seen these.
The affordable shack in a pack can be built in a week. Now how good's that? Shack in a pack. Hey, 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 let's go to the Australian National Field Days. Hey, hey, hey. New ideas.
Yeah, it's got... You can do all the controls with the exception of the snapshot, on the actual touchscreen. You don't have to use that button. Well, no, you can't do those things, but which is like, it's the info button.